if you're buying or selling your home, you know you have to pick up the phone and be calling those Callaways because they're going to make life a lot easier on you. So we also get very excited that we have back with us Joe Coleman. And what home do you have for us today?
We have a beautiful, of course, it's a magic zip code home, our favorite, 85254. Yep.
Yes.
It's in 6302 East Corrine Drive. It's going to be open today 1 to 4, and it's really a house you have to come through and see for yourself. It's got a huge oversized master suite that's just inviting and large and not typical for the neighborhood. And then it's got a wonderful attached guest suite with a full bath, multiple exits in and out. And it's got an oversized over 700 square foot garage, which is perfect for any hobbyist, whether you're a woodworker, want to work on cars, whatever it is. You've got plenty of space for everything in this house. It's over 3,000 square feet of home. It's just a wonderful property that you have to check out today. It's open again 1 to 4 and just a must-see.
Well, it does sound amazing, and in that area, this will go really fast. So I'm going to sound like the broken record and say, if you don't get this home, no matter what, they need to call, whether they're buying or selling the home, they need to call you and get the whole process started so that they can find the perfect place.
Oh, absolutely. If you're selling, especially in the magic zip code, always give us a call, at least to get the opinion, and that way we'll help you through the entire process, start to finish.
Well, perfect. Well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.